Welcome to the Ultimate Animal Quiz. Do you really know animals? Let's find out with 15 fun and tricky questions from creatures with 3 hearts to the fastest sprinters on Earth. Get ready to laugh, learn, and be amazed. Test your brain, challenge your friends, and see who's the real animal genius. Don't forget to subscribe, and join us for more wild quizzes every week. Which mammal can truly fly? Bats are the real night pilots. Flying squirrels only glide, turkeys barely leave the ground, and rabbits, well, they just hop around complaining. What is the fastest land animal? The cheetah accelerates like a sports car. Lions try to chase but usually end up saying, "Bro, wait up." What is the largest animal ever to live on Earth? The blue whale is basically a floating apartment complex. Even dinosaurs would need a parking permit to stand next to it. How many hearts does an octopus have? Three hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, 1 pumps it around the body. Still, they're famous for spraying ink instead of love letters. What's inside a camel's hump? It's a fat backpack. They burn fat for water and energy. Imagine carrying your own emergency snack tank on your back. Penguins are champions at Penguins don't fly, but in water, they're like torpedoes in tuxedos, always dressed for an underwater party. Same as human 7, theirs are just supersized 1, not could reach the 2nd floor window. How does the platypus give birth? It's a mammal, but it lays eggs. Platypus is like nature's prank, half duck, half beaver, part superhero. How do honeybees show where food is? Bees dance like DJs. The angle and wiggle equals GPS coordinates. No need for Google Maps, just groove. Why do chameleons change color? They chat with colors and adjust their body heat. Camouflage is just one of their party tricks. Dolphins are actually Dolphins breathe air, nurse babies, and use blowholes like power buttons. They're mammals with a misleading name. How far can an owl turn its head? Dusentésimo septuagésimo, perfect for spying behind them. 360 would mean their heads fall off like spinning toys. What exactly is cruel? Corals are tiny polyps building underwater condos. Not trees, not rocks, just a very busy animal real estate agency. What's the main food of giant pandas? They eat bamboo like it's an all-you-can-eat salad bar. Imagine crunching 12 hours a day, it's a full-time job. The axolotl Mexican salamander has which special power? Cut off a leg. No problem, it grows back. It's basically nature's CTRL plus C button for body parts.